Morning, girls. Today we just revise all chapter 13, lesson 10, 11, 12 and 30. Okay. Now we start a question 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then in this one find the area of a triangle. What is the formula of the area of a triangle? Is area is equal to half base into height. Half 8 into 6. You can see in this one. Area is equal to A is equal to half base into height. Half 8 into 6. What is the answer? Just cancel. 2 is cancelled with this 8. 4 into 6 is 24 centimeter square. Square area is there. Always remember the unit is centimeter, meter, whatever is there. It's square unit. And this question number second, you can see what is the base. This 10. What is the height? 8. Then you can see in the question, yes, what is the base here? Half base into height. 10 and 8. And you can just cancel 2 with the 10. 5 into 8 is 40 feet square. I think this lesson is very easy. In this one you can see what is the base. In this one a perpendicular. If the base is there, a perpendicular distance from the opposite side vertex. You can see. This is your vertex and perpendicular. This one is your height 12 and this one your base is 30. Then you can see what is, yes, 30 and 12. Half 30 and 12 is equal to what is the answer? 180 centimeter square. In the question number 4, what is the base in this one? You can see 5 and what is the height? 2. Then 5 multiplied by 2 and half. You can see in this one half 5 into 2. 2 is cancelled with this 2. And what is your answer? 5 yard square. Now in this one, find the area of a parallelogram. What is the formula of the area of a parallelogram? Base into height. What is the base here? 4 into 2. 12. Very easy. Then you can see in this one 4 into 3. It is 12. 4 into 3, it is 12. Now in question number 6, you can see what is this? Base is 18 multiplied by height 12. The answer is 18 multiplied by 12, 216 inch square. In the question number 7, you can see what is the base in this one? 15 or 7.5? 15, because you can see this one is the perpendicular distance. Then perpendicular distance from the opposite vertex, it is height. Then 15 multiplied by 7.5. What is the answer? 15 multiplied by 7.5. 112.5 yard square. Now you can see question number 8. In this one, this is your base and this one is your height. What is the base? 1, 2 by 3. And what is the height? 1, 4 by 5. You can multiply like this or convert into the improper fraction. Yes, you convert into the improper fraction. 3 multiplied by 1 plus 2 is 5 by 3. Here is 5 multiplied by 1 plus 4, 9 by 5. Then you know this 5 is cancelled with this one, this 3 is cancelled with this 9. What is the answer? 3 yard square. Now problem solving, problem solving. In this one, what is your problem? Find the area of a triangular traffic signal with the base of 40 and height of 60 centimeter. Then the base is 40. Then 40 multiplied by, it is very easy. Just you can multiply 40 multiplied by 60 is, what is the answer in this one? You can see. What is the answer? A triangular base. Then half base into height. Then half base into height. Then you cancel this 2 with this 40, 20 multiplied by 60. What is the answer? 1200 centimeter square. Then you can, how to write the area of traffic sign is 1200 centimeter square. I think this lesson is very easy. Now start your questions. Question number 1 to 6 are there. Then you can see the start with the question 1. What is your question 1? You can see in this one, 12 is the B1 and B2 21, and what is the perpendicular height? 4. Then you can see here half 21 plus 12 multiplied by 6. What is the answer? The 2 is cancelled with this 4. 2 is there and 2 is multiplied by, altogether is 33 and multiplied by 2 is 66. Then you can see in this one, this question number 2, again the B1 plus B2 multiplied by its height. You can see B1, B2 and multiplied by height and half. You know this is your formula, and you can, 2 is cancelled with 12 and it will be 6 and 6 is multiplied 20. Then what is the answer is there? 126. Now you can see in this one, question number 4. What is the B1 and B2? 3.4 and 6.1, and what is the height is 1.1. Then how to solve? Just put the value again same way. Yes, same. 6.1, 3.4, B1 and B2 and multiplied by 1.1. Then you can solve. What is the answer? 2.75 inches square. Remember, in this one square is there. Then you can see in question number 5. What is in this one? 16 B1 and 21 B2, and what is the perpendicular height is 14. Just check, you can check this one. Yes, 16 and 21, and what is the height? 14, and in the formula half is there. Then you can, 2 is cancelled with this one, 7 and 7 is multiplied with this one. What is the answer is 259. Now start your questions. Question number 1 to 6 are there. Then you can see the start with the question 1. What is your question 1? You can see in this one, 12 is the B1 and B2 21, and what is the perpendicular height? 4. Then you can see here half 21 plus 12 multiplied by 6. What is the answer? The 2 is cancelled with this 4. 2 is there and 2 is multiplied by, altogether is 33 and multiplied by 2 is 66. Then you can see in this one, this question number 2, Again, the b1 plus b2 multiplied by its height. You can see b1, b2 and multiplied by half and half. You know this is your formula. And you can 2 is cancelled with 12 and it will be 6 and 6 is multiplied 20. Then what is the answer is there? 126. Now you can see in this one question number 4. What is the b1 and b2? 3.4 and 6.1, and what is the height is 1.1. Then how to solve? Just put the value again same way. Yes, same. 6.1, 3.4, b1 and b2 and multiplied by 1.1. Then you can solve. What is the answer? 2.75 inches square. Remember, in this one square is there. Then you can see in question number 5. What is in this one? 16 b1 and 21 b2, and what is the perpendicular height is 14. Just check, you can check this one. Yes, 16 and 21, and what is the height? 14, and in the formula half is there. Then you can 2 is cancelled with this one, 7, and 7 is multiplied with this one. What is the answer is 259. Now you start problem solving. Dynamics a quilt in the shape of a trapezoid. You can see a trapezoid is there. Then the longer base is 15 feet long and the shorter is 12 feet and the height is 8 feet. And in this one the quilt costs her is 0.65 per square feet to make it. That means after first you can find the area and then after that you multiply with 0.65, then you find the cost. Okay, I think this one is understand. You can see in this one half 15 plus 12 into 8. Then what is the answer? 108 feet square. Then for cost of a quilt, just multiplied by 0.65, and what is the answer? 70.2. The cost of a quilt is 70.2. Now start a question number 8. Then you can see leaves will appear in the shape of again you can see trapezoid. The parallel bases are 14 and 16 feet long. That means b1 and b2, and the distance between their bases is 13. That is the height. And same here, find the cost 1.25 per square feet. Then how to find? You can in this one b1 and b2 is 14 and 16 half and multiplied by height is 195, and 195 multiplied by 1.25 because it is given 1.25 per square feet. What is the answer? 243.75 feet square. That the cost of the piatto is $243.75. I think this lesson is clear for you. Now you can in this one solve the question 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your book question. What is in this one? This is diameter or radius? Yes, it is a diameter. This is the full length here. And in this one, it is diameter or radius? Radius. And here, diameter, and in this one, a radius. In this one, which formula you are using for finding the circumference? You are using pi d. Then pi multiplied by 2, you got the answer. Yes, pi d. Then what is the value of your pi is 3.14 multiplied by 2 meter. Then what is the answer? 3.28. Now in this case, this is your radius. Then how to find 2 pi r? Then you can see 2 pi r. 2, then what is the value of pi? 3.14, and 4. What is the answer is 25.12. Then you can see in this one, this is radius or diameter. Yes, diameter. Then diameter is there. Then you can, what is the formula? Circumference C is equal to pi d. Yes, pi d. Okay, then you can see pi d. 3.14 multiplied by 10, 31.4. The same, this is your radius, 2 pi r, and 2 multiplied by 3.14 and 8.5. The answer is 53.38. I think this one is clear how to find the circumference if the pi, if d is given and r is given. Now find the circumference using the value of the pi is 22 by 7. Before you learn, 22 by 7 is 3.14. In the previous questions, you are using 3.14. In these question, you are using 22 by 7. Generally, this value is used when in the denominator, 7 is there. Then if multiple of 7 is there in the radius, in the diameter, then maybe you are using a 22 by 7. It is easier. For example, you can see in this one, question number 5, what is giving? Dia is 7. Then pi d, then 22 by 7 multiplied by 7. 7 is cancelled with the 7, you got the answer. If you are putting in place of 3.14, then you can multiply with this one and the answer is maybe same, always same. But in this one, it is very easy. If you remember, if the radius or diameter in the multiple of 7, then you are using 22 by 7. Then here also you can see in question number 8, d is equal to 35 mm. Then 35 is multiple of 7. Then 7 is 5 times 7 is 35. Then 5 is multiplied by 22. What we get? 310 mm. Then you can see in the question number 9. This is, it is given in mixed number. Then you are using pi d because here fraction is there. Then mixed number convert into the fraction. 4 multiplied by 1, 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. Then you can see this 7 is cut with this one and 22 by 4 is in mixed number is 5, 2 by 4 or 5, 1 by 4 also. 1 by 2 also you can write. And in this one, question number 12, you can see again in the fraction, then you convert first into the mixed fraction is given, then convert into the improper. Then 4 is multiplied by 2, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 by 4. Then you multiply, you can see here, cancel first 2 times, it will be 11 and 11 multiplied by 9, 99, and you can see here in this one 7 is multiplied by 2, it's 14. What is the answer? 14, 1 by 7. I think it is clear. Now you can see, find the area of the circle. In this one, question number 1, 3, 4 and 10. Then rest for your practice. Then you can see for question number 1. This one, here you have two options. Use 3.14 or 22 by 7. If the radius is multiple by 7, then you are using 22 by 7. Otherwise, you are using 3.14. In the question number 1, you can see pi r square. What is r here? 5. 5 r square means 5 into 5. What is the answer? 78.5. Here in the same way, in the question number 3, using, here is a diameter is given. Then first you can find the radius. 14 divided by 2, it is 7. You can see a 7 is there. Then you are using value of pi is 22 by 7 because it is multiple of 7. This 7 is cancelled with this one. 22 multiplied by 7, 154 yard square. Area is there, always remember, square. In this one also a square. You can see the next one is question number 4. In this one you can see 3 is there. 3 is there. Then you are using 3.14 multiplied by 3 into 3 multiplied by, what is the answer? 28.26 meter square. Then you can see the question number 10. Again you can see what is in this one? 28. Then 28 is multiple of 7. That's why using value of the pi is 22 by 7 multiply 28 into 28, and then it is easy. 7 times 1 and 7 times 4, then you can 4 is multiply is 88, and 88 multiplied by 28, what is the answer? 2464 feet square. I think this one is clear, huh? Now you can see in this one, find the area of shaded region. Then you can see in this one, a bigger circle is 3 inches. The smaller circle is, bigger circle is 6 inches and a smaller circle is 3 inches. The bigger circle is 6 inches. Then area of the bigger circle minus area of a smaller circle. Then you can see, yes, area of a bigger circle, then area of a smaller circle. Then you can find this shaded part. Then you can see in this one, because 3 and 6 are there, then you are using 3.14. 6 into 6 pi r square, you know. R is 2 times. Here is the smaller one, 3 and 3. What is the answer? You can see. Yes, this one. Answer of 113.04 minus 28.26. What is the answer? 84.78 meter square. This is for your shaded part area. Then you can see the next question. Next question is your 17. 17. In this one, here is a smaller circle, diameter is given. Then what is the radius? 12 divided by 2. That means 6. And from here to here is 6, and for the bigger one is 10, because from here to here is 6 and plus 4. The all together the radius of the bigger circle is 10 and the radius of a smaller circle is 6. Then you can see in this one, yes, in this one the bigger circle is 10 and the smaller circle radius is 6. Then you calculate what is the answer? 314, and here is 113.04. Subtract this one. What is the answer? 200.96 meter square. I think it is clear. Only in this one, this outer circle minus inner circle. Just or you can say a bigger circle minus a smaller circle area. Just you can find the shaded part of this one. Now problem solving. The question number 19. Then you can how to solve in this one. What is the question number 19? A designer has a circular piece of canvas with the radius that is measured 50 centimeter. Find its radius. What is the formula? Pi r square. And what is the radius? 30 centimeter. Then just 50 multiplied r square means 50 multiplied by 50, and what is multiplied by 3.14. The answer is 7850. Then you can see area of the circular piece is 7850 centimeter square. Now you can see the question number 22. A circular metal part of a machine has a radius of 0.1 mm long. Find the total area of 100 of these parts. That means first you can find a area of one metal part, then after that you multiply it by 100, then you got the answer. Then you can see in this one A is equal to pi r square 0.1 and 0.1. The answer is 0.0314 meter square. This is the area of one part. Then in this one you can see find the area of 100 pieces. Then what is the answer is 3.14 millimeter square. That means the total area of the 100 part is 3.14 millimeter square. I think this lesson is easy and you understand.